Hey my friends, how are you? Today's video, we're gonna be talking about the top 10 stunning candidates at the Miss World 2025. Without further ado, let's now begin with Ecuador. Sandra Alvarado, 24-year-old, she has a black hair and a dark brown eyes. In this photo, she wore a yellow fantastic cords, half turtle neck design, and elegant buttons. Her earrings is a stud, large white, and the makeup is pretty. I love it. She's so beautiful. Second, my friends, is Zimbabwe Courtney Zongwe. 23-year-old, she has curly black hair and a dark brown pair of eyes. She wear a yellow silk, one shoulder mini dress, and a pair of little hoop earrings. Her makeup is so lovely. She's just unstoppable, and I love this lovely woman. Three, my friends, we have USA Athena Crosby. She has black hair and a pair of green eyes. She's so beautiful, we can't deny it. And she wear a royal blue semi-halter T-length dress with round beaded neckline, plus her elegant one-drop earrings. She's perfect. Number 4 is Montenegro, my friends, Andrea Nikolic. 21-year-old, she has dark brown hair and a brown pair of eyes. She wear a semi-halter flaunty intricate dress and a pair of drop earrings. In addition to that, this woman captured my attention. She's so photogenic. And the next one is Miss Mauritius Wina Runa. 22-year-old, she has black hair and a pair of dark brown eyes. She wear a pale pink peplum tube bodycon dress. She's so sexy in her, my friends, and so beautiful. 6 is Belgium Carmen Johnson. She is 23 years old and she has a beeline honey hair color and an eye color of hazel. She is super elegant with her sky blue pair of blazers and trousers with bottom ups, and she looks chic and fabulous here. We can't deny it. The next one, guys, is Spain. Corina Mirazek, 22-year-old. She has a chocolate brown hair plus a light brown eyes, and she wear a white lace tops paired with a wide leg black trouser. She is super elegant in her simple style, effortlessly chic and beautiful. Next one is Thailand. Suchata Swangshiri. 22-year-old Thai beauty has a black hair and a dark brown eyes. She wore a trib-style elegant dress in a nude caramel color. Very elegant. And also a pair white stud earrings that add spice in her styling. Next one, my friends, is Mexico Mariela Leal. The 28-year-old has a black hair and a pair of brown eyes. And of course, the additional features that she have is her dimple at the right cheek. So we're so lucky that you have a dimple. And of course, she wore a peplum style tube design elegant cocktail dress plus her cluster stud earrings. She's perfect, my friends. 10 is none other than Chile Francisca Lavandero. That 23-year-old has a butterscotch hair color and a pair of brown eyes. She wore a casual polka dots conservative dress in white and black dots. She is simple yet fabulous and stunning here. I am so excited in this lovely woman. And of course, to the rest of the candidates, good luck to you all and God bless to your journey at the Miss World competition. Thank you too, guys. God bless you.